Hi there. My name is Durar Bakri. I'm a professional artist specializing in oil painting in general and realistic painting in particular. Welcome to my channel. I hope you'll find my videos interesting and helpful. In this video, I'm going to show you a very simple but effective way how to transfer any image or photo to a canvas or any painting surface. In this video, I decided to paint my pickled hot peppers that I love to eat so much, so why not painting them? I think it can be a very interesting painting, delicious and spicy looking painting. This video will be the first in a series of videos showing the entire process of this new painting from start to finish. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and comment. This will encourage me to bring you more amazing content in the future. Enough said, let's get started. The dimensions of the canvas that I chose for this painting are 40 by 40 centimeters. First, as you can see on the bottom right corner of the screen, I took a photo of the pickled hot peppers and drew lines dividing the image into squares. Each square, in this case, is 5 by 5 centimeters. Now, all I have to do is to trace the lines and shapes that I see in each square in the photo. There is no need to be 100% precise because it's only the beginning of the painting process, and I will be able to make any corrections later on when I start painting with colors. This way of transferring an image to a canvas or any painting surface is called the grid method. It is simple, easy, and very effective. Now I will speed up the process while you watch. You can relax and enjoy some divine music. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.